Today we have something incredible, as it's literally like new. I wouldn't say brand new, but it's like new, and you'll see in a second. The Agfa Movexoom 10 sound, and it's a full package as well. Original box, original packaging as well. And look at that, not even one scratch on it. So there is a microphone, sunshade, and so on. I'm not gonna go over them. Whoever gets it will be super lucky. It's a very rare package, but look at this. Incredible. Incredible. With an incredible lens. Look at that lens. Incredible condition. Perfectly working. Manual automatic zoom, light meter, all of the features, frame rate. So let's check it out. Get the battery compartment out. As you can see, super clean battery compartment. Please always follow the instructions, otherwise the camera is not going to be working. Put all of the batteries in. You'll need 6 of them. Okay, once that's in, put them back in. Listen, super smoothly working. So we have 9 frames per second, 18, 24, and above 54. Okay, super smoothly working lens. The camera is literally like brand new. Okay, then you have and so on. I can't show you the working light meter through the viewfinder, but you can hear that exposure works as well. The camera is in outstanding condition. Look at it. This should brand new. So we always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridges much harder to spin than regular new ones. So if the motor manages to spin an expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. As you can see, that's an old school Korokon K40. So mark the cartridge, insert it in gently, close the lid. As you can hear, perfectly working. And let's see what the result is. As you can see, no mark there anymore and perfectly straight film. No mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even a very hard spinning cartridge, and the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together. The camera is literally brand new. So whoever gets it will be super lucky with this jewel. Thank you for your time, and let's keep Super 8 alive.